morning, boys and girls. Today you're going to play again on the Everyday Math website with arrays. So you're going to be given a number and you have to draw the dots going down to mark your rows, and then you're going to draw the dots across to make your total number that it tells you on the game. So this matches the evaluate skill, where it asks that Niana wants to create an equation to find the number of fish in the picture below. Now, equation is a word you may not know because we haven't really talked about it. Equation means number model. They're the same thing. So a number model would be like 2 plus 2 equals 4. An equation is 2 plus 2 equals 4. They mean the same thing. So she drew the picture, and now she wants to know which equation she should create. So first thing we need to do is get the total number of fish that are there. If I do 3 plus 3, I know that's 6. 6 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. So the total that she should have, it should equal 12. If you notice, this first one doesn't equal 12, does it? The third one does also not equal 12. So it cannot be the first or the third one. Now, if I look at her equation, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, she adds 3 4 times. This one is 3 plus 3 plus 3. That adds 3 1, 2, 3 times. So that one's not right either. This last one, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, she adds 3 4 times. So you should have filled in the bubble for this last one. Okay? So please watch my directions first. I'm going to go to the Everyday Math website. I'm going to show you how to play the game first. And then after that, you can go and play the game 2 times. Okay. So what you're going to do is leave this video open. You're going to open up a new tab just like we did yesterday. And if you click the house, that'll either take you to the resource portal or the school website. I don't remember which one. So if it takes you here, remember all you have to do is click on resource portal at the top of your page, and now you're taken to the resource portal where on the right side, you're going to scroll down to find McGraw-Hill. All right, from here, again, you're going to scroll down and find MC for McGraw-Hill, and then sign in like you're used to. And now when it takes you to the website, make sure you click on your student book. And then you're going to go scroll down and click on EM Games Online, just like we did yesterday. And you're going to find the game that is under the Challenge tab. So you'll click on Challenge. And then we want Division Arrays. And you'll click on Division Arrays again. Now listen as he gives directions. And then I'm going to also give you further directions. So watch me play first, please. You'll click Start. You can pick a color for you and then pick a color for the computer because you're playing against the computer.
It's time to play Division Arrays. Let's go. Click the deck to get a number card. This is the total number of counters in your array. Click the die to get a number 1 through 6. This is the number of equal size rows in your array. Drag counters to your workspace to make your array. Use all the counters if you can. If you have extra counters, you can drag them to an empty part of your workspace. When you're done, use the keypad to enter the number of counters in one row of your array.
All right, so now he said this is the total number I need to count for the counters. This is the total number of rows. So I'm going to start here at the number 3, and I'm going to drag 3 counters up, and they go down to make my rows, to mark my rows. Now I have to count the total of 9, but each row and each column should have an equal number of counters. So I'm going to start off by counting 1, 2, 3. I already have 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I counted 9. I have a total of 9 equal rows. They're all equal rows and columns. So I can go ahead and count how many I have in one row. I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 3, click OK.
Great job. You earn double points for using all the counters.
Yay!
Now, it's the computer's turn.
Okay, so they didn't go down first, but I want you to make sure you go down first and mark your rows and then go across to count the total number that you're supposed to make. All right, now I drew 7 and I rolled 2. So I want you to watch this one and then I'm going to let you go ahead and play. So I need 2 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my counters down to mark 2 rows. And now I need 7 total. So if I already count the 2 that I have there, I'm at 2. Now I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is not an array because it doesn't have an equal amount in each row. This has 4, this has 3. I can't do this array. So I have to take this counter that makes it not equal and just put it randomly over here. Okay, now right here is an array. And how many do I have total in each row? I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So my answer would be 3. All right, so then you will keep playing that game. And then you can play it 2 times, please. Once you're finished playing it 2 times, you can come back to the Canvas page and you can go ahead and click next to finish your activities. Good job today, guys. Have fun playing that game.